As I go around the country, the number one question I'm always asked is, how do I find properties? It's an easy process, but most people fail because they do not have a process to do it. I'm going to start at the end and then work forward. The one thing that you have to do, you got to keep track of who you're talking to. Once you talk to somebody, it is extremely important to follow up with that person, and sometimes it takes, some of my deals have taken 12 years to follow up. Follow up with them if you can do phone calls, emails. I invite everybody in my database to a party. We do 2 roller skating parties, a swim pool party, and we do a baseball game. And they can be done really cheaply. Contact me later and I'll tell you how to organize this stuff. But contacting your contacts is what the real secret is. Some of the ways you can find the contacts is you can go to the assessor's office and say you want to find multifamily. You can find a multifamily list and contact the multifamily list. It takes a lot of work, but it's worth it. You're not looking for quantity of deals, you're looking for quality of deals. 1 or 2 or 3 deals a year is more than worth it. So if you go to the assessor's office, you can mail to them, you can Google their names, call them. You can go to the building. Saturday mornings is the best way to go to a building. The person sweeping the halls a lot of times is the owner. So going to the buildings, looking for the owner, going to the owner's house, you're always better off talking one-on-one to somebody than you are emailing or mailing or even phone calls. Some of the other ways, you have licensing lists in a lot of cities. You can buy a licensing list and mail to that. They have iOS systems and all kinds of systems like that that will help you find the owners. You can go through foreclosure lists. A lot of people will have foreclosure lists that you can subscribe to. That's another way to find properties. You can target properties on the websites of like the assessors if you just want houses or foreclosures or multifamilies. I always suggest you target a certain kind of property that you want. There are many, many more ways that you can find property on networking groups. If you go to networking groups, that is a huge benefit. You can find wholesalers, get on a wholesaler list, and you gotta be careful with those lists, but some of them are good. One question you might be asking is, how do I find a group? If you contact me, I will help you find a group. I'm connected to groups all over the country, and I will try to hook you up with a fantastic group. Networking is the key, so a good group will make you go a long way. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, do so now, and you'll get more videos in the future on a regular basis. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you.